Which factors influence the laser powder bed fusion process? Let's have a look at the powder from which we produce the part. Different batches of powder might differ in their flow behavior. If powder is recycled in the process, such differences might be even greater. This can affect the distribution and homogeneity of the powder layer in the building chamber. Here, simulations can be used to investigate the reasons behind such phenomena and to optimize powder spreading. Sometimes, because other material properties are desired or because of availability and price, the powder needs to be completely substituted. Another material, however, will behave differently. Not only the powder flow behavior, but also the melt rheology and thermodynamic properties will change. For example, the melting temperature and the thermal conductivity, as well as the surface tension and viscosity of the melt, might be very different. Last but not least, different materials interact differently with the laser beam, requiring adjustment of the laser parameters. The simulations conducted at Fraunhofer IWM will help you to better understand the impact of these changes and to facilitate the transformation to the new material system.